Hi friends. This is a cleaning hack for greasy kitchen surfaces. In this video you will see how to clean greasy surfaces using easily available items from store. We need 3 ingredients for this: dishwasher liquid, baking soda and vinegar in the ratio 1:1:2. In this video we have used approximately 2 tablespoons of Pril dishwasher liquid, 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Have mixed dishwasher liquid and baking soda using old shaving foam brush before adding vinegar. 4 tablespoons of vinegar. Mixed it well and applied it on the greasy cabinet doors. You can also fill the solution in a spray bottle and spray on greasy surfaces. Please be sure to try on a sample surface before applying on large visible surfaces. Let the surface get soaked in the solution for about 2 minutes and then scrub the surface. You will see the grease comes off easily. If this hack works for you, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. The cabinet door on the left was the condition of all cabinet doors before cleaning using this hack. You can clearly see the difference. Thanks for watching.